Okay, hello gang. Here I'm just attempting to make a short video of my framework of my layout. We'll see how this turns out. The framework is 41 inches high and the middle level is 20.5 inches high. I was trying to make sure that the top framework went higher than that woodwork on that little door right there. Managed to do that. We'll pan the general area here. And I think it's going to be a good size layout. But you'll see from time to time numbers on the woodwork representing different pieces. Here we've got a square open area for the helix that will be put right there. We'll go from the upper level to the lower level. Hopefully I can continue on with this video without making you too sick, but I did want to point out some of the other parts of it. My air conditioner is one of the main reasons this end scale got rebuilt. It got moved, the drain hose on it came off. I did not know it, and kind of flooded the carpet that was in this room. So all that carpet had to come out, and I ended up putting new laminate flooring down, which you can see. This section here, it doesn't have the lower section added due to the fact that I want to be able to get at my window and open the draperies and open the window, let some fresh air in here when I want to. Anyways, I'd like to get at it from below rather than from above in case I happen to have some buildings or something in the way that might get knocked over on the layout trying to reach over it. The lower level will actually end right here, but it will continue on around this whole section. See if I can keep this halfway to where you can see the lower level. That is where the helix will be. And basically the lower level is just for staging. I don't intend to put any scenery or anything like that down there. Just going to be track and cars. They go from the lower level to the upper level when wanted. Okay. Like I said, each one of these is individual pieces. I don't know if you can see the numbers on this one or not. Like that one be called 13A, 12A. The lower section are the B letters and the uppers are the A's. But you can see how these are each bolted together, uppers and lowers. And there's reasons for that, and I may show that in an upcoming video. I can see myself in the shadows there. That's not a good idea for video, I guess. Over there by that little door is, like I said before, I don't know if it's in the video or not, but I've made that for another turnaround to come back in the other direction. Back in the background back there, you can see two pieces of my old trestle that was on my HO layout, and I'm still not sure what to do with those. I have the layout basically in my head. It's not finished by any means, and things are always subject to change. A little work tray that's movable, very handy. And I have these little drawers They're just plastic set of drawers that are on casters and can move rather easily. And the toolbox back there in the background that is virtually filled with train engines and train cars and various train pieces that will be going on the layout. I just wanted to show that the pieces were able to come apart, and that the reason for that is that so many times you take a layout apart and about 80% of it ends up going to the recycling center. This stuff is not exactly cheap. A little bit of money invested. So I want to try and eliminate that and be able to take the layout apart and take it to my next location if that comes to pass. So anyways, I'm just wanting to grab a part of this and pull it apart and kind of show you a little bit that this comes totally away. 2 foot by 4 foot section. Let's see if we can't zoom in a little bit. I'm going to kind of lean this up here. Come around. Hopefully I don't make you too sick by moving the camera. I need to turn that around to where I can see. Okay. As you can see, the carriage bolt is countersinked. At least the head is on this side. Should be able to see that. And then it's countersunk on this side with a washer and a nut to where it will be able to go up flush against the joining piece. So anyways, we'll move this on up and put it back together. If we get halfway to where the camera's in line where it's supposed to be. And 4 nuts and washers, and it's all together. But every piece is done that way. The biggest piece is 4 foot by 4 foot. Some of these larger pieces in the side over closest to the desk are 40 inches by 48. But on any of them that are 48, the tops can come off just by removing the 4 or 5 screws that are on each corner of the leg. I should say in the corner at the leg. And then it can be removed from this room right out the door. Okay, this is probably going to be it for this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye.